Welcome back, everyone. It's nice to have you. Today we're doing the song called He is Lord. In the first verse we're going to do plain chords, in other words, not too fancy. And in the second verse we're just going to do more complicated chords. So we're playing this in D, which means that we're using basically D, A and G. And you will know that we play D from the 4th string, A from the 5th string, and G, all the strings. We play all the strings. The other necessary chord here is E minor. It looks like E, but you just remove that finger, so you've got E minor. That's basically the only one that you really will need for the plain version. And it's from the 5th string down. Alright, so we're playing He is Lord in D. And we're going to go up and down with a strum. Down with the index finger, up with the thumb. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. He is Lord. He is Lord. He has risen from the dead, and He is Lord. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is Lord. Remember to download the chord chart and you can see exactly what chords we are using. For the second verse, you see I need my glasses. They've got some extra chords, and those are B minor, 3rd string down. So it's the first 3 strings, but in the 2nd, 3rd and 4th fret, like that. And then we've got D 7th, which looks like D, but switched around, like that. This is D, this is D 7th. And A 7th. It's like A with a missing middle. 5th string down. And E 7th. 5th string down. Remember that E minor is also in here. So E 7th and E minor are very similar. You'll have to see the difference. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. You are Lord. You are Lord. You have risen from the dead, and you are Lord. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is Lord. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.